Alright guys, so let's quickly take a look at gold here. So this would have been a trade I took on gold. I was stopped out at 244-ish pips or so. The trade ultimately went let's just say 325 pips. But let's take a look right now for gold. And this I stayed in this trade for about 2 days right before it taking me out in profit. For gold, what you have to understand is very, very important that you can't play games here. You have to be very serious, more serious than you would be with other currency pairs or assets or whatever, right? Because gold, this is not a pair that allows a lot of BS. You have to be serious and you have to focus. What do you have to focus on? There are two main things: directional bias and then liquidity. So for directional bias, if it is we go to the daily time frame, you would realize at since 2015 or so, gold has been bullish. But if it is we look at this part here from March, give or take, you would say that gold has been bearish, clearly rejecting off of this high and then making this clear move down, clear bear momentum, right? In a bear momentum, not a bear trend, in a bear momentum based market, every time the market buys, it's actually going to be inducing buyers to add liquidity to the market so that it can continue to sell. Now, you see that here where it drops, buys a little bit, grabs liquidity, drops, buys a little bit, grabs liquidity, drops, buys a little bit, grabs liquidity, drops, and so it goes, right? That being said, my directional bias is anytime I'm seeing a buy in on the market for gold, I'm interested in where the liquidity might be. So if I come down to the 50-minute time frame now, you would see that again, gold has been in a clear bear momentum and it's buying here. So I'm interested. Why is it buying? Where is it possibly going to buy to? And I had this area here where I am thinking, okay, well, price has been in this area multiple times. And so I'm telling you, maybe this is a liquidity pool. Maybe let's see how price reacts to this. Why do I think this is the area? Because in this area, there are traders buying by the market, selling by the market, buy limits, sell stop, buy stop, uh, market execution, like I said. Traders are getting stopped out, traders take profits are getting hit, and it works, right? That's all of that is occurring in this area. So I'm waiting to see how price reacts to this area. And I'm going to post a screenshot of literally when I called this exact thing in my analysis channel. I called this exact thing 2 nights ago. Now, interestingly enough, as you can see here, right, I did catch it right at the high. No EMAs, nothing like that. This is just pure price action. And what was the price action? I was literally just trying to adhere to what it is the market was trying to tell me at this area. So a clear rejection. The candle that I entered on did not paint the same way that it painted on the broker, but that's broker manipulation. On my broker, it was actually a black candle here. I was like, that is the most perfectest entry I could see. And I sold it. And then, well, as you can see, not even 5 minutes later, it was already giving me profit, right? So that's basically what happened on gold. Now, let me show you something here quickly. As you can see, gold dropped. What is going on with me? Gold dropped quite a bit. Gold, like I said, gold dropped over 325-ish pips or so. But I took 244, almost 245 from it. What is important about this is if you do the maths on that, that is about 75% of the move I captured again. And this here, as you see here, where I thought that it would go up into this area and then drop, I called this again last night in my trading not analysis in the live stream on the Trading Not YouTube channel. You can go check that out as well. It's very, very important that you pay very close attention to these liquidity pools, and that's exactly what I did, and it paid the bills here for gold. So I really hope that you enjoyed this one. If it is you have any questions, you can always reach out to me at EkataTrading on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or wherever you want to feel free to message me. And I'll be glad to answer the questions that you have. Have a great day, guys.